According to UNICEF, 70% of the 5 million children born annually in Nigeria are not registered and do not have birth certificates. These children therefore do not legally exist, and their rights and access to name, identity, nationality, and basic services are denied and threatened.
The main reason why most parents don't register their children is because they lack access to registration centers, and they do not know the benefits and importance of registering their child. What is the situation of things? 70% of childbirths in Nigeria are done by midwives at midwifery centers and at home. Hence, our app is created to suit midwives, nurses, in order to increase childbirth registration in Nigeria.
The app is specially designed to be used by primary healthcare nurses and midwives who are in charge of the delivery of the newborn baby. They are to log into the app with a unique ID and thereby input the important and necessary information about the baby and its parents as required by the National Population Commission into the app.
The app has a simple and easy-to-use interface and makes use of an SMS feature and a database. The user, which is either a nurse or a midwife, will log in with a unique ID and fill the required information needed to register a child and submit to our database. The database will be shared with the National Population Commission of Nigeria, who would issue the birth certificate. When a child is successfully registered, an SMS will be sent to the parent of the child to notify them that their child has been successfully registered. And when the birth certificate of the child is ready, the National Population Commission of Nigeria will deliver it to the parent of the child.
Our project is a non-profit, and we plan to partner with and get support from organizations such as UNICEF and National Population Commission. Our partnership with UNICEF will ensure we make adequate public awareness to the public on the importance of birth certificate registration, and National Population Commission will help in the collection of data from database and issue the birth certificates. We will get donations and grants from organizations and members of the public to sustain this business.
We work by local government. In most local government areas, we don't have more than 4 or 5 registration centers, and we have a large area to cover. And so accessibility is a problem. The people are not having adequate access to birth registration. And then there's low awareness. Or when a child is not registered, definitely that child is not in the record of the government. And so it is difficult to plan for such a child. I'm sure the birth registration app is going to help solve a lot of problems that we have been facing in birth registration in Nigeria. We have an approach that we call the direct data capturing, which we have been trying to work on, whereby data is captured directly electronically. Presently, we work with papers, we work on the form we call Form B1, write the details, write the certificate, but with the app, as information is collected electronically, it will be sent to a server and will solve the problem of carrying paper up and down. These papers, these forms, when they are completed, we face the problem of storage. I'm sure if we can achieve this app, it will help solve the problem of storage.